Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of old routers. Can they still serve a purpose in your home network? Let's find out. First things first, let's check compatibility. Does your old router support the current Wi-Fi standards like 802.11ac or 802.11ax? If it's a relic from the past, it might not be up to par. Next, we assess performance. Speed and coverage are crucial. Test your old router's speed through various devices and in different areas of your home. It's time to talk firmware updates. Check if your router's firmware is up to date. An outdated firmware can lead to security vulnerabilities and performance issues. Consider reusing your old router as a range extender or access point. This can help boost your Wi-Fi signal into those hard-to-reach spots. Here's how. Using outdated hardware comes with security risks. Ensure your router settings are secure and consider any potential risks before you decide to use it. Setting up your old router in a new environment? Use these tips to configure it correctly for optimal performance and security. Finally, let's talk dollars and cents. Is it cost-effective to keep your old router? We'll weigh the pros and cons, considering budget and needs. In conclusion, while there are risks and considerations, with the right setup, your old router can still perform admirably. Thanks for watching.